Oh. Boom. So hopefully you guys like that new intro. I did actually purchase an Elgato green screen. If hopefully you guys have noticed, I will be using it as my new alternative to what I was using before, which was just green paper on some cardboard. I guess the college way of doing things. But I decided to invest into the channel and make it grow, and I do think it's going to become very useful for having some more creative ideas and making better content for you guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think. But otherwise, let's get on with today's episode. So first things first, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Neo to BTC. So shout out to Michael Maldonado for commenting his top altcoin. If you guys want to see, if you guys want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment below telling me what altcoin we should review next. So I did find an article online that I wanted to show you guys. It says Litecoin growing support and competitor vulnerabilities is good news. So it says most of the coins are in green today. I believe this was last night, May 30th. No, so today. Most of the coins are in green today, trading in positive trends over the last 24 hours as pockets of optimism begin to seep into the market. While some of the coins are doing double figures, Litecoin isn't much far behind, doing 8% over the same period. It has pushed the price beyond 120 level. In the process, it has put some distance between the current 121 and the 111 trade on Monday. So scrolling down, it says NASDAQ adds to Litecoin's growing recognition. Whenever the top coin, Bitcoin, gets a mention, be it in the media or otherwise, the expectation is that Litecoin isn't far off. It may turn out negative sometimes, but quite often it's for the benefit of Charlie Lee's coin. The latest in good news for Litecoin revolves around NASDAQ's exchange. The platform has revealed that it would be supporting the crypto alongside a few others in the market. It's been known for quite a while that NASDAQ was keen on getting into the crypto business, but the idea that Litecoin would be among the top coins to get priority wasn't set in stone. So I definitely think that is a very, very, very good thing for Litecoin. One of the reasons the exchange has chosen Litecoin stems from its growth potential. For the record, Litecoin can now be used for cross-chain transactions after it became compatible with Blocknet. In addition, its network is faster and cheaper compared to the leading coin, an added advantage favorable to NASDAQ aims. So it also says Litecoin on 6 other exchanges. These exchanges operate via Tokyo Stock Exchange, blah, 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 the 6th rank. So ever since Lee created a coin, the coin has grown and established itself among the top cryptocurrencies. However, it has always been Bitcoin's shadow. It might remain in the shadow for a foreseeable future. However, as far as the other altcoins are concerned, it may matter of time before it steps ahead of all of them. So definitely something I wanted to point out to you guys. I'm just looking at the rest of the article. As the market looks for a way out, Litecoin could have just been handed a major boost by NASDAQ and the woes befalling other coins. Can it go to reclaim its position among the top 5? Signs are it could. So definitely something to check out. Hopefully you guys liked that article. So check it out. This is what Litecoin looks like overall. If you'll notice, we are at around 116 and we are trading near the bottom. So you can see right now with some slight consolidation, we are still at the bottom of the triangle, this pennant flag, trading sideways. You see a lot of consolidation. We did break down, use support, and broke right back up into that triangle. So that is very good to see that we're using this as support. I'd like to see it continue up. I'd like to see it move to E, but it does seem to be having some sort of downtrend right here. So that may play a role in why the coin is having some issues. We could either draw it like that or something like this for the most part, but you can see where we have the resistance pushing the coin down, definitely in this zone. So I want to see what happens tomorrow, if not tonight. Hopefully we can break up off here and move higher. Why isn't the RSI there? There we go. You can see how we're pretty much on the bottom of the RSI, so I am looking for a movement upwards. I'm looking for that movement to E as well. I know some of you in the comments said we're looking for another bottom, a triple bottom, and then a movement upwards. Maybe possible, but definitely want to see that movement up into this region right here. So keep an eye out for that. Moving on to Bitcoin right now, you can see Bitcoin is actually making some good progress too. It is almost completing what I was anticipating. It is moving back up now to the E level, similar to Litecoin. But if we do at any point see Bitcoin break out, Litecoin is definitely going to follow, and money is going to move into Litecoin as well. But nice to see that we did bottom out, touch D, and now we're moving up to the E on the Elliott wave triangle. Hopefully break through there and then test resistance at this high-low MMA. So still extremely good on the RSI. A lot of potential to move up, so keep that in mind when purchasing. But this would have been a very good buying option right here, and then riding this up to E and maybe taking some profits out there. Let's look at Ethereum. Lastly, seems to be doing the worst now out of the three. Interesting enough. We still are on this downtrend. You'll notice it did pull back up, but it is facing resistance from this overall trend line. So I'd like to see at some point it break up through here and retest that high-low MMA. Will it happen? I don't know, but it does look kind of well. It is doing kind of well. It didn't break down. I am looking to see what happens tomorrow or the next day when we start to really test this high-low, this trend line right here, this downtrend. We are seeing support around, I want to say 517, 510 in that region. So it'll be interesting to see if we're going to go back down there and retest it, if we can hold support there. But I am looking for that breakout and move up to around 680, 652. You'll notice the green band is crossing over the red band. So definitely a bearish looking sign right now. Lastly, let's check out Neo to BTC, the last coin on our list of reviews or technical analysis for today. So again, shout out to Michael Maldonado for wanting us to review this coin. So I would like to just draw on some supports. Interesting, though kind of hard to figure out where I'd like to place some supports and resistances. I don't know if I'd count that as one, so I'm probably just going to delete this. Let's see here. Okay. This is an interesting one to try and chart. There's definitely a downtrend on the coin. That's for sure. I'm trying to find some type of support. This could have been one. Like this could have been an uptrend right here. Something like this. And we did break down and we broke through it. So it's still acting as resistance right there. We also had this downtrend right here. So I'm just going to delete this as well because it's kind of not that useful right now. And it's time to add in some support and resistances. Clearly one being right here, which is kind of where the price is right now. You can see how we have the, it's acting as resistance right here, support right here, resistance again, support and support, as well as this downtrend. So hopefully we can hold that. If we do decide to fall lower, we're probably going to go here. That is a channel. We do have the bottom right there. And then we do have a support at the top here. So I could draw in one more just for heaven's sake. Okay, so drew in some high-low high-low resistances. You can see how we are kind of facing this downtrend right here. I'm not so sure as how low we will go down, but I can definitely tell you places to look for. We are almost oversold on the RSIs, so I don't think we can go down much farther. If we do decide to head down, it's probably going to be to this level right here. If you can see that, 0.005580. In this general region right here, maybe consolidate until we can retest support. Retest this resistance right here. This will act as support though, and hopefully we can break up through that, but we're definitely looking to break out of this downtrend right here that is formed and break up enough to retest that high-low MMA. So see what happens. It looks like it's trying to consolidate on this support right here, but I don't know if it's going to hold. we'll see. It does have a few more days to consolidate until we can retest that high-low MMA and this downtrend. So we will see, but definitely be cautious of right here. If we can't hold this position, try and maybe buy some in this channel right here. If not at low, maybe start pyramiding down and buy at this level. I don't think it's going to break much lower than that. It definitely can, but definitely look for this level and then ride the breakout until the high-low MMA and then sell off your position right here, because I don't think we're going to go much higher than that. Definitely possible, but definitely take profits off at this level. But that's going to sum up the video for today, guys. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.